Hey everyone, it's Whitney. Today, I want to talk about something really special that has been a part of beauty and wellness for centuries: fenugreek. You might know it as a spice in your kitchen, often used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, but it is so much more than that. This little seed, also known as methi, comes from a plant that has been grown and cherished for thousands of years. It has a beautiful history, not just in food, but as a powerful secret ingredient in traditional medicine and, you guessed it, in hair care. Our ancestors were so wise and knew how to use nature to take care of themselves, and fenugreek is one of those amazing gifts from the earth. I love discovering these natural ingredients that have stood the test of time. When you think about it, using what grows from the ground just feels right, you know? Fenugreek seeds are these small, golden brown seeds that have a unique, sweet, and slightly mapley scent. They have been used for generations in Ayurvedic and traditional African practices to promote stronger, longer, and healthier hair. It's like tapping into a legacy of natural beauty. This isn't some new, trendy ingredient that will be gone tomorrow. It's a true, tried and tested remedy that has been passed down, and now we get to bring it into our own modern hair care routines. So what makes these tiny seeds so powerful? Well, fenugreek is packed with amazing nutrients that our hair absolutely loves. I'm talking about a high concentration of proteins, which are the building blocks of our hair strands. It also contains nicotinic acid, which is known to help encourage hair growth and strengthen the hair from the root. It's loaded with lecithin, a natural emollient that helps to moisturize the hair and bring back its shine and softness. It's like a superfood specifically designed for our hair, providing it with everything it needs to thrive and look its absolute best. When I first learned about all the benefits packed into this tiny seed, I was so excited to try it for myself. The idea of using something so pure and natural really resonates with my journey of embracing my natural hair. It's about getting back to basics and understanding what our hair truly needs to be healthy, not just what products promise us. Discovering fenugreek felt like uncovering a well-kept secret, a piece of ancient wisdom that was waiting for us to rediscover it. So let's dive deeper into why this amazing seed is particularly incredible for our beautiful natural African hair textures. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Why is fenugreek so amazing specifically for our natural, kinky, and coily hair? Our hair is beautiful and unique, but we know it can also be prone to dryness, breakage, and slow growth if we don't give it the right kind of love and care. Fenugreek steps in as a true hero here. One of its most magical properties is the mucilage it creates when soaked in water. This slippery, gel-like substance is a natural conditioner that provides incredible slip, making detangling so much easier and reducing the chances of breakage while you work through your beautiful coils. The high protein and amino acid content in fenugreek is another major win for our hair type. Our hair is made of protein, specifically keratin, and sometimes it needs a little boost to stay strong. The proteins in fenugreek help to repair the hair shaft and fortify our strands from the inside out. This makes our hair more resilient against daily styling and manipulation. If you've been struggling with shedding or weak strands that seem to break easily, incorporating fenugreek could be a total game changer, helping you retain length and see that growth you've been working so hard for. Moisture is everything for natural hair, and fenugreek delivers on that front too. The lecithin it contains is a natural hydrator that helps our hair hold on to moisture for longer. For those of us with high porosity hair that seems to lose moisture as soon as we apply it, this is a huge benefit. Fenugreek helps to nourish and seal the hair cuticle, locking in that essential hydration. This leaves your curls feeling soft, bouncy, and deeply moisturized instead of dry and brittle. It also helps to soothe a dry, itchy scalp, creating a healthy environment for your hair to grow. Finally, let's talk about growth. Fenugreek is rich in compounds that are believed to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Better circulation means that more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to your hair follicles, which can wake up dormant follicles and encourage healthier, more robust hair growth. It's not a magic pill for instant length, but by creating the perfect, healthy environment on your scalp and strengthening your existing hair, it sets the stage for your hair to reach its full, beautiful potential. It's about nurturing your hair from the root all the way to the tip. So, you're convinced and want to try it, right? The great thing about fenugreek is that it's super versatile, and you can easily incorporate it into your routine in a few different ways. The most common way to start is with the whole fenugreek seeds. You can find these at most grocery stores, especially in the international or spice aisle or online. The seeds are what you'll use to create hair rinses and masks. This is my favorite way because you're getting the purest form of the ingredient and can control exactly what goes onto your hair and scalp. It's a very hands-on and rewarding process. If you want something a bit quicker, you can also use fenugreek powder. The powder is simply the ground up seeds, and it can save you the step of grinding them yourself. You can mix the powder with water, yogurt, or your favorite conditioner to create a quick and effective hair mask. It's a convenient option if you're short on time, but still want to get all the amazing benefits. Just be sure to mix it really well to avoid clumps, as the powder can sometimes be a little tricky to dissolve completely. A smooth paste is what you are aiming for. Another wonderful option is using fenugreek oil. You can buy pre-made fenugreek oil, or you can even make your own by infusing the seeds in a carrier oil, like olive oil or coconut oil. Fenugreek oil is perfect for scalp massages to stimulate blood flow and nourish your follicles directly. You can also use it as a hot oil treatment before you wash your hair, or as a sealant to lock in moisture after applying your leave-in conditioner. It's a fantastic way to get the strengthening and moisturizing benefits of fenugreek in a concentrated form, especially for targeting dry scalp and edges. No matter which form you choose, seeds, powder, or oil, the key is to start introducing it into your regimen slowly. See how your hair responds. You could start with a fenugreek tea rinse after your shampoo, or try a deep conditioning mask once every couple of weeks. Listen to your hair. It will always tell you what it likes. The journey with natural ingredients is all about experimentation and finding that perfect combination that makes your curls and coils pop. It's your personal hair journey, and fenugreek can be a wonderful new friend to bring along for the ride. Okay, let's make a simple and effective hair mask. This is a great starting point. All you need is about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and 1 cup of water. Start by soaking the seeds in the water overnight, or for at least 8 hours. By the next morning, you'll see that the seeds have softened and the water has turned into a slippery, slightly gel-like liquid. This slippery substance is that amazing mucilage I was talking about. It's packed with all the nutrients and will give your hair incredible slip and hydration. This simple soak is the foundation of your nourishing treatment. Next, you're going to blend everything together. Pour the soaked seeds and all of the water they were soaking in into a blender. Blend on high until you get a smooth, creamy paste. You want it to be as smooth as possible, like the consistency of yogurt or a smoothie. Now, here is a very important tip for my girls with tightly coiled hair, to avoid getting little seed bits stuck in your hair. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth, a fine mesh sieve, or even an old, but clean, stocking or pantyhose. Squeeze it really well to get all that goodness out, leaving you with a silky, grit-free liquid. Now it's time to apply the mask. On clean, damp hair, apply the smooth fenugreek liquid from your roots all the way to your ends. Make sure to really work it into your scalp with a gentle massage. This is your moment of self-care, so take your time and be gentle with your strands. Once your hair and scalp are fully saturated, cover your hair with a plastic cap and let the mask sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. The warmth from your scalp will help the treatment penetrate even deeper. Afterward, rinse it out thoroughly with cool water and follow up with your favorite leave-in conditioner. Remember, beautiful things take time. You may not see dramatic results overnight, but with consistent use, you will start to notice your hair feeling stronger, softer, and more manageable. Be patient and gentle with your hair. Natural care is a journey of love and nurturing. Embracing ingredients like fenugreek is about more than just hair growth. It's about connecting with nature and celebrating the unique, stunning beauty of your natural hair. You are beautiful, your hair is beautiful, and taking the time to care for it is a wonderful act of self-love.